Cooking is a skill, and a lot of factors play a role in ensuring the meal tastes delicious. It is not only limited to whole grains and recipes, but also includes the cookware and cooktops used. If you have ever thought of how to eliminate smoke from your kitchen while searing your favorite meal on the cooktop, a gas cooktop with downdraft will come in handy for you. Sufficient ventilation is very crucial in any cooking space, especially when it is limited.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best downdraft cooktop. So let's get started. Number 5. Empava 3.0 Gas Stove Cooktop. At number 5 we have Empava 30-inch gas stove cooktop with 5 sealed burners and a sleek finish. This cooktop is the best gas cooktop with downdraft that is compatible with both outdoor and indoor kitchens. It is one of the perfect choices for a smaller kitchen space. This model is designed to fit into any 24 or 30-inch Empava under-counter single-wall oven. The laser-cut fill-width grates are made of durable cast iron and are easy to maintain. The grades are safe for the dishwasher machine and resistant to wear. Empava 30-inch gas stove cooktop comes with features that offer maximum safety and protection. It is equipped with an automatic shut-off tech that switches off the burner when there is no flame to avoid gas leakage. Also, it is sold with a liquefied petroleum gas conversion kit. Number 4. FOTILE GLS 3050130 Stainless Steel 5-Burner Gas Cooktop. This gas-powered cooktop is constructed with 304-grade stainless steel and cast iron. It features 5 various burners that ignite quickly and generate different heat outputs. The tri-ring burner at the center uses 21,000 BTU, offering both low heat and high heat. Plus, the other burners are equipped with 13,000 BTU, 6,000 BTU, and 3,000 BTU, respectively. The stainless steel heating elements ensure even heat distribution for stir-frying, caramelizing, steaming, simmering, and boiling. The flame failure protection ensures that the gas is cut off when no flame is detected, offering optimum safety. This cooktop is compatible with all sizes of cookware and comes with a 5 years warranty against all parts. Number 3. KitchenAid KCGD506GSS 3.6 Downdraft Gas Cooktop. You will find this product helpful if you love to cook within the shortest time possible for your large family. KitchenAid KCGD506GSS 36-inch gas stove top with downdraft is also another 36-inch gas cooktop. It features an automatic reignition function that switches on the cooktop when it goes off, and an electronic ignition. The KitchenAid KCGD506GSS can be considered as the best downdraft gas range that you may want to add to your final decision. This model comes with 5 heating elements for versatile cooking. The grates are made of cast iron, and the other parts are built with rust-proof stainless steel. The adjustable downdraft system helps you eliminate smoke and steam while you cook your favorite meal and keeps the kitchen odor-free. Number 2. FRIGIDAIRE RC36DG60PS 3.6 Gas Cooktop. If your cooktop cutout is carved to hold 36 inches cooktops, FRIGIDAIRE RC36DG60PS 3.6 built-in downdraft gas cooktop is the perfect product on this review for you. Although fewer 36-inch gas cooktops with downdrafts come in this size, this product is designed to be installed into the counter and fits into any modern kitchen decor. This gas-powered cooktop is made from cast iron with stainless steel heating surfaces. The burner regulator provides a wide variety of heat levels for cooking, from fast cooking to slow boiling. The regulator is easy to control and ensures precise temperature control. Thanks to the continuous grates, you can easily move your heavy pans from one heating surface to the other without lifting them. Also, they are rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. Number 1. GE Profile Series 30 Electric Cooktop. First up is a top-grade gas cooktop from GE. If you love to multitask when cooking, this model is one of the best options for you. It is designed with 4 radiant glass cooktops that enable you to cook 4 different meals with different sizes of pots simultaneously. GE Profile Series 30 Downdraft Electric Cooktop utilizes a powerful heating system that distributes heat rapidly across the surface. The adjustable knobs allow you to increase and decrease the heat level according to your need. One unique feature of this downdraft cooktop is its aesthetic design, which complements any kitchen decoration. This product comes with a downdraft blower that efficiently pulls down the smoke. The light indicator and control lock offers optimum safety. If you want to buy the best electric cooktop with downdraft, you can consider this gas cooktop as your final choice. That was our list of the top 5 best downdraft cooktop just for you.